Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital. Welcome to today's video market update. Fantastic news going on here in the crypto market. Look what's going on. A historic moment. Within the next 24 hours, we're going to have a historic moment, a cycle-defining moment for Bitcoin. And 10,800 is the key level here. If a monthly close occurs over this level, we're going to confirm a new bull market for Bitcoin. And the best thing about this is that not only is Bitcoin on the cusp of a new bull market, but so is Ethereum and so is Litecoin. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Of course, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future, but let's dive in to today's video. This is the most important thing when it comes to Bitcoin. This cycle-defining moment, 10,800 on the monthly, a close above this will confirm a new bull market, and we're probably going to move much higher than where we are at the moment. In the past, we've seen loads of FOMO wicks past this point, but a monthly close is going to essentially mean to us that FOMOers aren't the only people interested. It's not just the FOMO. It's not that transient emotional feeling that people are rushing to buy Bitcoin, especially since we haven't seen a strong sell-off from the bargain hunters like we've seen in these wicks in the past before. So that's what's so exciting, is that bargain hunters aren't offloading Bitcoin just yet. They are in fact holding, and with people holding, people who bought earlier, people holding and people FOMOing, that's giving us an opportunity to potentially confirm a new bull market above this level. So that's the most important thing going forward. But speaking about Ethereum, because Ethereum is it's taken center stage, essentially speaking. It's the vocal point in crypto at the moment because Ethereum has broken out. And I just want to talk about the altcoin market cap, which actually preceded a breakout in Ethereum, because here you saw the alt season. Smaller altcoins, mid to low cap altcoins, they actually carried altcoin market cap into a breakout from its bullish structure, a very identical bullish structure to the one that Ethereum had a few weeks back. You can see that this is the same exact structure, and this is the 50-day bull flag for Ethereum, which broke out later on. So altcoin market cap preceded this breakout in Ethereum, because of course Ethereum broke out into a 40% rally later on, but it's a little bit different this time because the money flow cycle has shifted away from mid to low cap altcoins and back into Bitcoin and large caps. So initially, altcoin market cap was being carried by the mid to low cap altcoins. This is why we saw that breakout in the beginning. But notice how Ethereum has now broken out into an exponential uptrend. And now that the money flow cycle is focusing on Ethereum and large caps and Bitcoin, you're noticing how all the smaller altcoins are actually shedding valuation, but the altcoin market cap is still exponentially increasing, which is only showcasing the dominance that Ethereum has over the altcoin market cap, the altcoin market in general. And this is because Ethereum has a much larger market cap than all the other smaller altcoins combined. So essentially speaking, altcoin market cap, the first initial breakout was caused by mid to low cap altcoins, but now this altcoin market cap breakout is being carried by Ethereum, and we're going to probably reach this key level right over here of 133 billion for altcoin market cap. Fantastic to see that. But why I want to talk about Ethereum going forward, because of course Ethereum is on its way to 360. It's recently broken out from a 400-day downtrending resistance trend line, the one that is quite similar to the one we saw on altcoin market cap right over here. So a very similar predicament. And the fact that I knew that we'd break out in Ethereum, this is something I was posting, and I was actually posting on Twitter the altcoin market cap juxtaposed with the Ethereum chart, because we had the same setup. We didn't only have the same setup in this bull flag for altcoin market cap and for Ethereum right over here, but we also had the same setup where we had the altcoin market cap downtrending resistance trend line dating back to July, the year-long trend line resistance. It was the same trend line resistance right over here, 400 days even for Ethereum. So this trend line resistance was a little longer, but we saw Ethereum break out from this 400-day trend line resistance. A 35% rally ensued afterwards, and now Ethereum is breaking past a 700-day resistance right now. So whenever we see a breakout past a long-standing resistance, we tend to see strong rallies. So we've seen that to be the case when we broke past this 400-day trendline resistance, and now we're seeing the same thing happen over here, although this rally has only just broken past the 700-day resistance right over here. So this is still in its infancy, but it very much is on the way to 360, and we spoke about this in the previous video that 360 is a conservative target for Ethereum because sellers don't tend to be quite strong at this particular region. We don't tend to see prompt and strong sell-offs for Ethereum at 360, at least not quickly, at least not immediately, because you can see that every time Ethereum has rallied towards 360, we've always seen FOMO buyers overextend the price rally to as far as 420, to as far as 400, to as far as 364. So you're seeing a slight declining tendency in the FOMO overextension past 360. So that will be interesting to see whether we're going to actually break this downtrending resistance, this weakening in the FOMO extension past 360. If we break past that, if we actually invalidate that declining tendency and manage a weekly candle close above 360, then that's a bull market. That's a confirmed bull market for Ethereum, in the same way that we're waiting for that very historic cycle-defining moment and monthly close for Bitcoin. And lastly, Litecoin. Litecoin has broken out from a multi-month accumulation range, and it has rallied 25% into this downtrending resistance trend line. Something we spoke about on my Twitter a week ago, something I spoke about in the YouTube video from a few days back, that this is going as expected. But the whole thing here is, will we see a new bull market breakout for Litecoin past this downtrending resistance trend line? A weekly candle close past this level will confirm the bull market, in the same way that a weekly candle close past this level for Ethereum will confirm the bull market, in the same way that the monthly close above 10,800, above this level, will confirm a new bull market for Bitcoin. So a fantastic time to be in the space right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin on the cusp of new bull markets. Let's watch for the monthly close for Bitcoin, and let's watch for the weekly closes for Ethereum and Litecoin. Super excited to see what happens next. That's about it for this segment of the episode. But let's move on to the next segment of the episode, a sponsored review by Energy. So let's dive right into that and check it out. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me in this segment of the episode. Today we're going to be focusing on a cryptocurrency called Energy, and Energy is one of the partners here on the channel, as you guys know, and the framework for today's video is going to be the review article that I posted on my website rektcapital.co. It's a very detailed coverage of the project Energy here, and we're going to be talking about this review and the project in a bit more detail today. So Energy is a self-funded peer-to-peer digital currency, and it couples a lot of interesting things from different types of projects. So on the one hand, you have the Ethereum smart contracts platform, which also combines together with a self-funding treasury system, on-chain governance, and a masternode component that proved very successful on the Dash blockchain. So to talk a bit about the recently upgraded smart contracts platform, in March of this year, Energy transitioned to a smart contracts platform which they call Gen 3 to combine the ability to develop smart contracts and dApps. So since the upgrade, dApps from Ethereum can easily port to Energy's smart contract platform, and given Energy's self-funding treasury, which we'll be talking about in just a second, Energy is now able to provide more services than Ethereum currently can. And that's the thing with Energy, that it adopts various things from different blockchains. For instance, the smart contracts platform from Ethereum and the masternode component from Dash, but along with that, also the treasury system, because Dash also has one of the largest treasury models in the space. But the thing here with Energy is that it improves upon that, and it has a self-funding treasury system. So the way Energy's treasury model works is that 1 million new Energy coins are released every month, and 40% of them are immediately transferred to the treasury. And this has been a very good solution for this model, because if you just look at the past few months from different treasuries in the crypto space, you can notice that energy, for the most part, month to month, has a higher monthly value in revenue compared to, for instance, Dash or Decred or Pivx. And remember, guys, Dash has one of the largest treasury systems in the space. So it's pretty incredible that energy is consistently yielding a higher monthly revenue than Dash. And speaking of Dash, Energy also incorporates a masternode component very similar to Dash. And the thing about Energy's treasury model is that it is expanding their capabilities, it is funding their day-to-day activities, but so is the masternode component, which is intricately tied with the treasury model. So these things all coincide together. And the way that this treasury coincides with masternodes is that it is controlled by a decentralized autonomous organization, which is a DAO, a decentralized governance model that's controlled by users that own a large stake in the currency. And this is something we're also going to be talking about: staking opportunities, because not only is the treasury self-funded, the masternode component as well as the staking opportunities are things that help this treasury really grow and continue expanding and helping Energy grow as a project altogether. But the last thing that I'd like to mention about the masternode is that the current yearly return on investment for running a masternode ranges between 34 to 47%, which is obviously a considerably larger masternode reward, especially if we just compare the chart right over here to other cryptocurrencies in the space. So the return on investment for an Energy masternode is 34%, compared to other cryptocurrency projects which are less than 20% or even less than 10%. And that's pretty incredible, especially if we talk about Dash for a second, which has really laid the foundations for some pretty incredible things. It is a solid blockchain project, but you can see how Dash is only yielding a return on investment of 7% on the masternode compared to a 5 times larger return on investment for the Energy masternode. So that's pretty astounding to see these figures in broad daylight on a chart like this. But just to mention the staking opportunities as well as an additional source of funding the self-funding treasury model. Staking is a very important aspect in keeping this treasury model not only decentralized but of course self-funded. And Energy has been proof of stake since early February 2019, so quite a while now, and users have been able to earn passive income by staking their NRG coins. And the current ROI for staking ranges anything between 15% to 23%, and users can stake their coins directly on KuCoin, which is where NRG is listed via the soft staking program. And looking at yet another chart, Energy staking rewards compared to other staking algorithms in the space, 23% is the ROI compared to Cosmos, which is 8%, or even Dash, which is 6%. So it's very interesting to see how Energy has coupled together promising aspects of different blockchain solutions and brought them together to create a very unique mix that is Energy. And you can see how Energy has built upon these solutions, whether that's through the proof of staking algorithm, whether that's through masternodes and the return on investment there, or whether that's the newly upgraded smart contracts platform, which can offer more services than Ethereum can, but also the treasury model, which is self-funded and is performing much better on a ROI perspective compared to Dash, one of the largest treasury models in the space. So in any case, Energy incorporates aspects of 2 successful blockchain protocols in Ethereum and Dash, and successfully builds on these in an effort to become the ideal peer-to-peer digital currency. So if you're interested in learning a bit more about Energy, check out their website to learn more about the project, and of course feel free to join their Discord server and become a part of their engaged community. So check out the links in the description down below, the link to Energy's website and also the link to Energy's Discord server. And that's about it for today's video update. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please consider dropping a like and of course subscribe for more videos like this in the future. I'm Rekt Capital and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak soon.